going to walk to a coffee shop, and look who's already here, man. Second episode in a row, I believe. Yeah, back to back. So yeah, we're gonna get some work done. Ooh, check out his logo though. Yeah. All right, so basically what I'm doing right now is creating like a pain management handbook. So this is where I'm going to put all the corrective exercises that I've learned over the years. Because one of the tribe members, right, one of my audience members, he's on a mission to lose 100 pounds. But one thing that he's constantly going through is injury, right? He's trying to lift weights, but then ankles, knees, hips hurt. And that's with like excess weight he's carrying. So what I'm gonna do is like give him like pretty much a guide protocol, like work on the anterior tibs, the soleus, the peroneals, like pretty much working up all the chain, and then going through some breath work, stretch work, and yeah. And then that's going to be grouped in with all the other ebooks that I'm working on as well. So tons to get done. And instead of like keeping all of these ideas here, yeah, just start to put them down. Yeah, put them down. All right, so we're just going to just chat it up a little bit and then to the next clip, guys. Anyway, first, gotta welcome you to the episode. It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com. Now to the next clip. So right now we're having like an in-depth conversation about like the lifestyle that we currently have, especially building our online businesses. And the freedom, like back in the day when I just left Equinox, right? Me and my boy Adam, what up? We used to go chill by the Charles River like around 11 o'clock, just like right now. And we're just talking about like that feeling of freedom, like not having to clock in, do floor shifts, pick up weights, hand out towels, and do like the stretching and all that stuff. We don't miss that at all. So we want, and then this is the best way to like build a community around this idea, right? It's like they have like this whole wave, like the digital nomads. You heard of this?
Yeah.
So digital nomads is people who just operate all over the world from their computers, right? But they still get to focus on their passions.
Yeah.
Me, one of my passions is these daily videos. So you can see the life that I'm living. I'm not bound by anything. I'm just constantly focusing on offering value through this channel. That's why I always preach engagement, because if I know how to help you and get you out of your funk, I can produce content and help deliver that end result, right? But the feeling that I'm feeling right now is a feeling that I want for everyone. Now he has the same feeling. What are you about to do right now? You're about to go to jiu-jitsu, right?
I'm going to go jiu-jitsu in the middle of the day at 12 o'clock class, yeah. I don't have any chains bound to me right now. And that's the coolest part about it all is the freedom to be able to, for one, really impact the people, because I don't have to worry about pleasing managers or, you know, goals of a specific company at all. For me, it's all about, you know, making sure that I'm, like you said, delivering a ton of value to people. All my focus is on those people that I work with and for.
Yeah.
And, you know, I got the ability to do work, like you said, digital nomad from a coffee shop, from anywhere. I can post up wherever I want.
As long as you got an internet connection.
Right.
We're just bound by internet connection. That is it. Literally.
Not even, I mean, with the phone too, we got the phone. I got, you know, unlimited, hotspot, so unlimited data, we're good.
And it's not a dream that we're selling you at all. Like, you know, there's a lot of like get rich quick schemes out there. Like, it's a grind. Like literally, although you're doing what it is that you love, you have to be consistent and play the long game. You're not going to get the results immediately. You got to build a ton of relationships and make sure that you nurture and foster those relationships, because those relationships are going to pay you back. Not immediately, or not through that same source in which you did the value offering for, but definitely in the long run, it's going to come back full circle. So like, I'm just having so much fun right now. I'm like, yo, I just got one more meeting today, building a new relationship with a doctor and seeing exactly how I can help him and how he can help me. And man, and it's a beautiful day. It's going to hit like 55 today too. So, oh man, hey, anyways, let's continue on. Yeah, get back to I'm gonna actually walk over the links. All right, so we just wrapped up our meeting. Impromptu, by the way. Impromptu meeting, by the way, because I was literally walking this way, saw him in the window, and hey, we just kicked it for an hour. Now he got jujitsu. I'm going to go to links real quick and then meet with this doctor, see what he's got going on, and yeah, building relationships constantly. Are your cars up there? All right. So I'm going through a little webinar in the contents and conversion website about YouTube, and it's very intriguing, man, especially how these guys grew their channel so fast. So it's about an hour and a half long, and I'm only 45 minutes in, so I don't have time to finish it all. I'll finish it all tonight. Let's go to this meeting. Coincidentally enough, that coffee shop where I had the meeting was the same place where I met Urso at. So I think that's going to be the new spot I park up to do some work on the computer. Nice quiet little space, great lighting in there, so we'll see how that works out. Now I'm on my way back home. Back at the crib right now, and I came home to replace my microphone mount. This one just broke again. This is actually the new one, and it broke again, so I'm about to order another one on Amazon. Then I have a couple of emails from the tribe members asking me, one in particular is asking me about his knee pain, because he's been working out. He's trying to lose 100 pounds, and he suffers from having lower back pain and knee pain. So I'm helping him address it, and I'm also going to be filming some content to help you guys address it if you or anyone you know suffers from the same thing, right? Also, like I mentioned, I'm going to be in New York, so we're driving to New York tomorrow. So road trip back to my hometown, Brooklyn. Yeah, so I'm going to go see the homies, and it should be a good time. And while I'm there, I'm going to constantly drive home these videos, try to make awesome content for you guys. So if you have any questions, any thoughts, any concerns, whether it's on your journey in personal development and entrepreneurship, or if you're on your fitness journey, as I mentioned, I have tons of resources to help you. One of those resources is my Stop Exercising, Start Training ebook 2.0, which is in the description below. So go check it out, show your boy some love, and it does come with a community. So if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, whether it's nutrition, whether it's gut health, whether it's chiropractic care, physical therapy, whatever it is, I have people within my network that is willing to help you guys out as well. So join the community, join the tribe, and let's build and grow together, man, because I'm here to support you just like you guys support me. Anyways, I'm going to get packing for NYC, then go pick Gus up. So if you have any questions regarding what I just mentioned, just hit me down in the comments below, or visit your boy at theseedslife.com. All right, thank you guys for watching yet another video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Holla at your baller. Peace.